So I want to show you the strength of this aluminum extrusion. I made the mistake of driving in a drive-through that was a little bit too low and damaged some of these higher mounts that I made. However, you'll notice that the actual 80/20 aluminum extrusion didn't get damaged whatsoever. It was only the smaller connectors that got damaged. There's nothing that actually got damaged. It just got bent a little bit because it bent at the connectors, as you can see. So I'll have to make some new connectors here. But the actual extrusion didn't get damaged whatsoever. So all I got to do is and the camera didn't get damaged either. So all I got to do is just replace the connectors and boom. So I'll have to also make sure I don't make that mistake again. Yeah, you'll see here with the other side too, it got damaged, but the actual aluminum extrusion didn't get damaged at all. Still tip top, even on the top. Just the paint came off, the bed liner paint came off a little bit. All I got to do is replace these connectors. And the camera wasn't damaged either, thankfully. So it was a bad mistake, but should be a pretty fast fix. All right, so I'm using the aluminum extrusion here. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. We have the aluminum extrusion piece right here. You can see it has the channels. I have a bracket that I've made, and there's a bolt, and then a lock washer, a flat washer, and then the bracket. And you can see the bolt is attached to the T-nut. The T-nut is shaped for the channel. Sometimes it can be challenging to get the bolt into the T-nut while it's in the channel, so I've attached them beforehand, and then what I'll do is I'll slide them in the channel. You can see I have to line up both of them, and I've shortened these bolts myself, so they're not exactly easy to get sometimes. So you can see now, I've got it in the channels now, and then I slide it in.